try beer and you're going to like it. And this video is going to get 1 million views.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
You're right. This beer is called Puppy Chow. It's from our friends at Martin House Brewery in Fort Worth, those wackos. Puppy Chow. It's a stout with peanut butter, chocolate, powdered sugar, and Chex.
Much like the delicious dessert treat, Puppy Chow.
Oh, that's right. There is a thing called puppy. I was just thinking of the dog food. Okay, I love stouts. I love these guys, Martin House. Now, we've tried several of their beers, all of which are sour, right? We've tried mostly sours from them. That's
to this point. Yeah.
They're the sour house, by the way. This is 8% ABV, which I'm told there's a feature on the show where it brings... All right, so this should be up my alley. The powdered sugar and Chex might throw me a little bit, but I can smell a little hints of chocolate in there. Wow. Powdered sugar comes on strong sort of at the end. That's what's very mysterious and impressive to me is like, I can taste, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 of these elements here. I definitely taste the peanut butter, the chocolate. Powdered sugar comes strong on the back end, like I said. And the Chex is in there. You have to believe me, it's in there. They got that good. They got that good weed. And they pass it around and they sit in their boardroom. They sit on their little balance balls, you know. They're there on their balance balls, man, drinking their sour beers and bonging out and coming up with crazy bugged out shit like this. But this would be kind of like a warm, fuzzy childhood memory.
Yeah, it's often made by grandmothers at Christmas time.
Right. I mean, my grandmothers didn't, but they made a variety of other treats that you could base a weird beer on. So I completely get why this is a beer.
Who's your dream drinking buddy?
Hey, buddy.
So it's sweet, it's chocolatey, it's very strange. It's got powdered sugar. George Clinton. I want to have this beer with George Clinton. He was one of my heroes. One of the strangest individuals the planet Earth has ever been blessed with. I like this as a single. I think a 6-pack would linger in my refrigerator a long time. It's a wee bit too sweet for me, and it's probably the powdered sugar. If it was just chocolate, peanut butter, and the Chex, maybe. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I'll wrap it up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Christmas.
This is going on too long.
My name is Chad Briggs. Thank you once again for watching. What is this?
Nice corn, wheat, and bran. It gives them real grain crunch.